Uyele ki weightlifting geri Australia woman le wuyo atakmarupa haka Olympics katkande prapauso. Robert Kabbas haganiga ganti dawanu chajuai wopa ye ipenman ye gayaka weightlifting. Haya kalam wa Robert da ongo wa hapo Meghalaya haka sabki khynnah haka weightlifting. Da ongo wa ganito agasin wa arga wa embenta o haga Meghalaya games. Hey wa arhajar arpauso le embenta o haga ni kelempung. Cucu de yero le ye vai perda ye kelempung nin ijan mid hawa yejer. Haya to wan wa iye ki bro na jalla wa la ye khon chabari kam jucha Olympics da ongo wa ye ni wo man kam dang chimpori kam wo tip ye sap ki khynnah na do dang khian Wyrta.
Hello, my name is Robert Kabbas. I'm from Australia. I'm a weightlifter. I competed at 3 Olympic Games, winning a silver medal at the 1984 Olympic Games, and I competed at 3 Commonwealth Games, winning 2 gold medals and 1 silver medal. So I am here to oversee the preparation and competition for weightlifting, obviously, and weightlifting is one of the sports where I see major potential here in Meghalaya. The physical attributes of the population are almost perfect for weightlifting, really, so there's a lot of talent, and the challenge is how we can make use of that challenge here. Overall, I attended the Meghalaya Games last year, so this is my second time round. I enjoyed it the first time, and this time here, the opening ceremony last night was spectacular. I've just been to the weightlifting venue, and everything there looks really good, really set for a good competition. And now I'm actually going to check out the karate because my son and my wife in Australia do karate, so I have an interest in that. So I'll just go and have a look. Look, I think that's as far as Meghalaya athletes competing at international level, I think it's one step at a time. First, you look at national level, and to do that, you need to start with junior athletes. And of course, that will take time. Different sports have different time frames as to reach certain levels. Weightlifting tends to take a little bit longer at the start. You're looking at 3-4 years before someone starts to make their mark known at national level. But from then on, as I said, I think there's major potential in weightlifting.